I'm filming some DIY school supplies because I feel like everyone literally has these same school supplies every year because everyone goes to the same store. You can spice your school supplies up and make them super cute. If you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe down below. That would mean so much to me because we're getting like closer to 7,500 subscribers, which is pretty insane. And give this video a thumbs up if you like it. You don't know if you like it yet because you haven't seen it, but without further ado, let's just get started. First DIY, you're gonna need a composition book, cardstock paper, and a transparent folder. So you just want to start off by gluing your cardstock paper onto the cover of your notebook just to make it a little cuter. Next, you want to take your folder and put it over your notebook to see where you need to cut the folder, because obviously it's a little bigger than a composition notebook. Although if you use an A4 notebook size, then you probably won't have to cut it because that's the size of any folder. Anyways, I cut it in like a diagonal line, like going downwards, because I thought it was cute, and then I just glued it onto my notebook. And then you can put stickers in it, sticky notes, just a bunch of things. Next, we're gonna make a pencil case. So I just used the fabric of like a really old pillowcase that I wasn't using anymore. And I bought a zipper, which is really cute and purple. So then I'm just measuring my zipper to see how much fabric I'm gonna need for my pencil case, and then I just cut it out. So then I'm just folding over one of the parts that will be finally attached to the zipper part, because it needs to be straight and I didn't really cut it straight. And I'm just putting glue over that line that I just made, and then I'm attaching it to my zipper. It's not that hard, it's just I suck at explaining. Like, I'm getting confused hearing myself speak right now. But anyways, then you just want to fold over the sides as well, just to make it look a little bit prettier. And then I put books on top of them because I was too lazy to actually put pressure on it myself. So once all the glue has kind of dried, you want to put on glue on the sides and on the bottom, and then attach the bottom part to the zipper and the sides on top of each other. I think you should get it by now, I think, but like honestly, I don't blame you if you don't. And then I'm just writing busy on it, and you can like honestly use any word. You can put like hello or something, I don't know. And then with rubbing alcohol, it gives this really cool effect. Next, we're gonna make like this ombre effect clipboard, which is honestly so easy. It took me like 5 minutes to make this. So I'm just covering the entire top part with one color paint, and then doing the same thing to the bottom but with a lighter color. And then at some point the colors should meet, and then you take your sponge and kind of like dab it all over the paint, and that will cause the ombre effect. Then I just let it dry and took some chalkboard paint and painted like a stroke of paint to write anything on, basically. Next, we're making some DIY pins, which I'm extremely excited for. First, you need to print out some pictures or doodles or whatever you want your pins to be. Then cut them out. I really hated this because they're so small, so it was pretty hard to cut them out good. So then with some silicone, I am gluing them onto some foam paper, which is like thick and soft paper. If you didn't know, I think you did, but anyways. And then I'm taking some Mod Podge and just gluing it over the paper just so that it doesn't get destroyed as easily. Then I'm just cutting out the foam paper with the picture or doodle on top of it, and you want to repeat that with all of your doodles, obviously. Then then once they're all cut out, you want to flip them around, and I use just normal silicone, but I would recommend using a glue gun because it's much stronger. But anyways, then just glue safety pins at the back of your foam, and then you're done.
I didn't know that I was starving till I tasted you. Don't need no butterflies when you give me the whole damn zoo. By the way, you do things to my body.
So those were the school supplies that I made for this year. I hope you guys like them and make them. If you do, make sure to send me a picture on Instagram or Twitter because I love to see. Like I said before, totally subscribe because that would mean the world to me. I guess that is it for this week. I don't have much more to say. I love you guys so much and I will see you next week. Bye!